This video is going to be a little different as we break ground on a brand new project, restoring a century-old home that hasn't been touched in at least 30 years. In this first phase, we'll be clearing out the old cabinetry and clutter, giving the place a full cleanup, and tackling the overgrown yard so the engineer and builder can actually see what they're working with. Stay tuned as we go through each stage, working hard, making progress, and hopefully having a bit of fun along the way. First up, we're suiting up in our PPE gear and removing the big stuff. We've got a hauling truck scheduled for later in the week, so for now we're staging all the debris in the bottom floor garage. We're sorting the waste into 3 piles: rocks and dirt, things that we can bury; landscape waste, things that we can burn; and everything else, things that have to go to the waste center. The kitchen, or a Cozinha in Portuguese, is the first area to tackle. The ceiling's falling in, covered in about 3 to 4 inches of soot, and who knows what else. The cabinetry is completely rotted, and the entire floor is buried in dirt and debris. The roof above is leaking badly, and a broken door has let the rain and storm mess inside. Now for the ceilings. We're pulling them down carefully, trying not to disturb the cross beams that are part of the house's framework.
Alright. All good. Let the dust settle.
A few beams were already completely rotted and not supporting anything, so we removed those. The ceiling continues into the bathroom, but we're making a clean cut at the wall since we're not taking that section down. While I've been working on the ceilings and cleaning up inside, my coworker's been out back hacking through the jungle. The backyard had been completely taken over by trees and vines. The cement patio and stairs were buried under about a foot of soil, so we're cutting down the limbs and vines, and then hauling everything down to the stairs into the garage for pickup. Once the yard's cleared, we'll start removing the furniture from inside, deciding what to keep and what to toss.
All right. Yeah.
We're going room by room, starting from the top.
Get it? Hollow. Oh man. What is it? What's in there?
In this next room, honestly, it looks straight out of a horror film. A director wouldn't even need to change a thing. Next, we're hauling away the dirt and small rocks that are falling out of the old stone walls. We're keeping the larger stones so they can be reused later when the walls were rebuilt. This old house actually dates back to a time when stone walls were filled and packed with dirt instead of mortar. Pretty wild to see up close. Now it's time to haul everything away. We've got Justin and the truck driver helping out. We started with the yard waste that ended up being most of it, about 3 full truckloads. Then we loaded up rocks and debris, which took the most time to shovel out. Finally, we threw the cabinets on top and wrapped it all up. With everything cleared, let's do a quick walkthrough so you can see how the place looks, all ready for the planning stage. All done. Thanks for sticking around to the end. I hope this was both entertaining and helpful if you ever take on a project like this. Wishing you the safest and most entertaining demolition projects out there. If you've been through a demo like this or have any tips, drop a comment below and let us know how you handled it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our previous videos for more practical tips right here from the Azores.